Hey, this is Kevin, Big Bear Performance. Want to talk about gauge relocation kits for road glides. 2015 and up, we have this one here. It takes the stock road glide gauge cover, comes with all the applicable hardware, comes with a wiring harness that makes it a plug and play. Comes with a template here to go with your fiberglass cover, whether you want to put holes in it here for risers now that you've moved the gauge up on top of the handlebars, or you can leave it blank like this to run your handlebars out the side, which is the way the stock handlebars are run. And that there is a complete kit. Over here we basically have the same thing, but this is for the 2013 and below models, and it has the machined out part right here so that you can insert your neutral, high beam, turn signals and whatnot that fit right here that would normally go down here. Also comes with this fiberglass piece that covers up where the original gauges used to go. Also comes with the buckets here, as well as the wiring cover and all the hardware. And they're the two covers that we have for road glides, and this is the fiberglass piece that goes on top of the fairing. It comes with this piece as well to cover up where the gauges used to go, and of course an aluminum black anodized new gauge face that fits inside this, that goes over the top of the radio so you don't cover up the navigation system in radio. Also comes with a wiring harness, also comes with a template if you want to run risers right through the fiberglass piece here as well, and all the hardware complete. It's a very nice kit. So we've got three kits here, one for the 2015 to 2018 on top of the handlebars with all the stuff necessary, one that goes on top of the fairing from 2015 to 2018, and then one for 2013 and below with the fiberglass and all the hardware and everything you need. This one here does not come with a wiring harness because it's not possible the way that Harley made the harness. So you do have to cut and extend the wires on this particular kit on the 2013 and below. And there's our three kits for road glides.